Hey everybody, it's me again. I know it's been forever and I'm so sick, but I thought I'd do this voiceover anyway for you guys. But let's get into this cut crease look. So I'm starting off with my Smashbox primer because I'm going to go in and do my brows with the Anastasia Dipbrow and dark brown as always. And I'm using a angle brush by e.l.f. Cosmetics to create this look. And if you guys want a separate brow tutorial, I could definitely do that. Just go ahead and comment below. It's literally the easiest / messiest thing I've ever done. Alright, and so then I'm going to prime my lid with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C8. And literally just put it on my lid. It's literally no perfection to it. And then I'm taking a Morphe M170-8 brush, which is like a small concealer brush. And I'm also using the concealer to clean up my brows and spread the concealer over my lid so that way we could put the shadow on. So I'm going to take this blue shade from the Magic Palette by Juvias Place. And I'm just creating my crease with this color. And I'm using the Morphe M506 brush to do so. And then I'm taking a Morphe M433 blending brush. I literally have no product on the brush. I am just using it to blend out the blue shade. Like I said, blending your life away. And then I'm going back in with the Morphe 506 brush to bring back the blue color. So we're going to take this purple shade in the same palette, and I'm using a Morphe 507 brush, which is similar to the 506. It's a little more tapered, but you have more control when you're applying the color. So that's when I'm going to go ahead and apply the purple shade to that. What are you doing? So now I'm creating the cut crease using the same concealer I used to prime my lid and that same concealer brush. You guys, this is the hardest part of this look. I could go and do a separate video going more detail into that, but it's really time consuming and it's tedious. But take your time. I know it's a lot, but just take your time. I promise it'll be so worth it. And yes, I cannot breathe when I do this. I know there has to be some others out there who feel the same. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. So I'm going into the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star, and I'm using my Morphe M210 brush to apply the bright pink shade there. And for this shadow, I'm using the M224 brush, and I'm literally applying that all over, including the pink shade that we used to blend it all together. This look was really inspired by this ocean video I seen on Facebook. It was so beautiful, the colors. And then I'm just trying to reapply a little bit more of the pink shade to bring it back and just blend everything out, bring everything back to life. And then this is where I go in, do the other eye. These lashes, I think they're by my friend's company, Queen of Hearts, in the shade Dubai. I mean the style Dubai, duh. And then this is where I go into my regular routine face application, concealer, foundation, all of the above.
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll...
And I'm powdering the heck out of my face. Just powder, powder, powder until you look like a ghost. I'm just kidding, but powder your whole face. If you're oily like me, you want to powder the heck out of your face. And I'm using the Morphe 506 brush again to apply my lower shadow to smoke it out.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Now I'm going to contour using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I bronze my forehead, my cheeks, and I do my lower chin to hide all my sins. All the hot Cheetos I ate. I don't want anyone to know. I'm also using the same highlight on my inner corner and highlight, brow highlight.
And on we'll go.
But, you know, thank you guys for coming and watching this. I hope you enjoy this look. If you guys definitely try it out, even using different colors, please tag me. I want to see your recreations. But thank you for watching. Love you guys.